Okay, so today we're going to Oak Glen, and yeah, all of us.
I didn't know if you guys wanted to like just turn around and go back and go to Palm Springs.
Oh no! Does Mike do it?
Oh my!
I haven't touched no one. No, don't eat it. Don't eat it. Don't eat it right here.
Yeah.
Damn.
He gonna go get a ticket. That's what he gonna go.
Yeah. Oh, there's a cop.
I'm surprised they didn't pull him back up.
I know. We should have pulled. Okay, so we just decided to stop this place. Look at this. Meteors. Anyone needs pumpkins in January? Oh wow. All these jams. Frog jam? What the hell? Yeah, this oven's literally on. It feels really good. Oh wow.
So like shriveled up. I'm like,
Yeah, a guy in there just offered us an apple. It was really weird. Pure apples though. But they're good though. I bet their apples are really good though. They just picked them
not
like
when he's fingering it.
Yeah, literally it was all like open in his hand. He was like, "Do you want an apple?" It was like kinda, you know.
I know you guys want Starbucks and stuff. Did you even stop and get some coffee?
Yeah, let's get
Or from a
Starbucks.
coffee shop around here. Do you want to stop and get coffee, or is it too much?
Maybe just stop at Starbucks because I can count on them.
I can count on them. Like, do you want an apple?
Cuts the apple. Well, the Starbucks is on the way home. Like, we would.
Building from like Texas Chainsaw Massacre.
Oh, you know, I'm not even joking. I was gonna say that's exactly what it reminded me of. Because they had a pork cooking in the oven. It reminds me of like the Hills of Eyes. Yeah, like one of those like creepy shops.
The hairs of these new.
He's like, "Do you want this apple?"
He's like Fiji or whatever. He's
Fiji?
I'm like, I don't like raw apple, thanks. And I walk away, and then I was like, you guys want an apple? Because it was so fucking awkward.
Fingering the shit out of it.
Yeah. It was like he had the knife in his hand. He's like Fiji or
Fiji. Yeah, he's like Fiji. Yeah. So we're gonna say screw Oak Glen. We're gonna go to Palm Springs now. We're gonna go to the TRAM in
That's where we
Palm Springs,
Mike, right?
and then go up and then go in the mountains.
Apple
Palm
Andes?
Springs.
No.
Beamer did, yeah. He's trying to
Wait, what happened? The Beamer got stuck? The black car got stuck?
Directing traffic. He said he's trying to cross.
Ew, directing traffic. Yeah. No, just.
No, this guy's stripping nuts. We're not going. Oh my god, he's directing traffic.
I know.
How do you get stuck in there?
Look at that snowman. That's a sad one. It's all black snow.
Mike and Sky.
What the hell did
He
Mike
shouldn't
just
have
do?
done that. What if this guy was about to do that?
I know.
Okay, I think
Great, now we're gonna lose Mike. Oh, I like this song too. This song's a really good song. It's Luke Bryan, right? Yeah.
Yeah.
I like him. I don't know the words. Never mind. Out to nobody. We don't into a party. I know that part. You want my apple? Okay. So now, quick stop home. You see me? Well, I don't know. I'm like. No.
Quick stop home. Now we're going to Palm Springs to get some tramps.
No, we're going on the tram.
Oh, we're riding the tramps.
Yeah, not. No,
Is everyone
God.
out there?
Yeah, everyone's in the car. Okay, here we go. Well, coming in. Like Starbucks break. Actually, this is really nice.
What?
It's really nice out. Got my coffee. And yeah, look how nice it is. Oh my god.
You're just tripping on now.
No, I'm tripping myself out.
Whoa.
Oh shit!
It was an accident.
Hell yeah! Keep going.
Where was it?
Of course I'm like, what?
I heard it, but I don't see it.
I did not see it.
I heard it, yeah, he definitely hit it with it. I heard it, but where?
Was it an accident?
Yeah, but I don't see anyone.
What happens over here?
Beautiful. Woo!
Look at this. Oh god.
I have no idea. I don't have
No.
Oh, it is the center council.
That is creepy. Look at this. Hold on.
That's only 30 minutes.
Look at this. Oh, I'm seeing how I look. Oh hey. I don't know if I like that.
I don't.
Are you excited?
Yes.
Are you excited?
Yes, very
Okay.
excited.
How you doing? Are you excited? Have you been on this before? Ew, okay.
What's going on in here?
And now look at that. That's so nice. Everyone's taking pictures right now. Oh, that's so nice. I'm excited. Look at that.
Come down.
So
There's
nice.
a light. That's it right there.
What? Oh wow, that's the top?
Yeah.
You like can't see it on this camera that well. Okay, what's that?
What are you talking about?
Those are the people.
Where's Ryan at?
Look at that. Where are you going, Ryan?
Test.
Right here? He's someone to hold on to.
I know.
You gotta get window.
Wait, should I hold on to something? I'm like right here.
I'm going to start the rotation of the floor.
Alright.
Now, only the floor is going to rotate, but not the grab rails on the side of the car or the center where I'm standing. So if you're going to hang on to the side of the car, you're going to want to slide your hands along. On our way up, we're going to go over 5 towers. Over each tower, the tram car is going to swing back and forth, so please watch your balance.
I'm gonna go over here.
If you have any questions, feel free to ask.
What?
Welcome aboard the pump train used during the strike, and now used during the tram's moving experience.
Shit.
All right, hey, tower 3, hang on.
Hold on, Ryan. I got water legs.
You got what?
Water legs. Jello legs.
Did you guys like that? I thought it was.
Yeah.
That was fun.
I don't even skydive from that high. It's like what, 13? This is like
This place is really nice. There's even like a bar over there. Okay. Okay, there we go. Oh, there's even a little hill. Look at this. Well, you can't see a thing. Yeah. Yeah. This is really nice. There's like a restaurant right here. Oh hey.
Hey.
Hey. What's going on? We just at this restaurant.
good. How are you?
How are you?
And this place is expensive. We just got bread. And I'm over here like this. And I take this up and I'm like, whoa. Oh, I love how we're all trying it now. Let's see, we're going out again. Thank you. What are you doing? You're gonna ride down there?
Oh, now you can see it.
What? Oh wow! You can see it. Well, look at all the smoke. Billy's going down the hill with the cafeteria tray. So,
Here he comes.
oh, let's try that.
Oh shit.
That's actually a lot better. Except I can't see anything. 'Cause it's all in my face. That's awesome. Sorry about the light, but
Watch but don't slide down.
there we go. Okay. I kind of want to try it too now. Oh my god! Yeah, I don't know if that'll work. That's kind of cool. That's kind of. Yeah.
Here, go do it up on the edge.
Alright, get on and get pushed. Oh, put your butt to the back of it.
Wait, are you really getting on?
You gotta pull the tray up.
Wait, I'm falling off. Wait, we gotta try it again. Here's the theater.
$10,000 for this.
Ringtail. That's kind of cool. Wow. Oh, this is a museum. Right? A little. Oh, there's a lot of stuffed animals here. I mean,
It's because of you.
it's sad though. Can we shot that?
The boo-boo veganeris?
Yeah, it was that
The
nice.
veganeris?
All these animals. Squirrel.
Is that real?
Wait, what?
Harry Potter?
Hedwig? Hedwig? What if there's like nobody here? There's literally nobody here. The most spotless bobcat. They're so like majestic. Wow. That does. It looks like there's like no glass here. Why is there a random drawer here? 2 drawers. Look at that. Do people go sledding on this? I don't know what. Like what? That's awesome. Look at this.
They're like sliding down.
This is awesome. Whoa, this is not good. Wait, are you holding on to the rail?
Oh yeah.
Should I?
Right there. Hold on to the rail, slide down.
Wait, I can't slide. That's actually really fun. Wait, now I'm going backwards. Wait, hold on. Look at that. Oh my god. It is so creepy down here. It just goes black.
We have a race. See who can get to the top.
Oh shit. Ready? Ready? Go! Wait! Shit.
Up in the mountains.
I'm gonna fall. Well, that was fun, guys.
Prefer to do it.
You experienced it.
That was so much fun, right? That was.
I can't stop.
I can't see a thing. I can't remember a thing. Hey. Okay, so I just ended the video right here, and I didn't really film an outro, so I just wanted to say, please like this video, subscribe, and there's gonna be a bunch, probably like 3 or 4 more videos from California. So yeah, see you guys in the next video. We just stopped at Earth Cafe. Oh, I love this place. It's so good.